One of the things that like makes me almost cringe is saying bless you after someone sneezes.
Bless you. Thank you.
Whenever I sneeze and someone says bless you, it just like gives me like a
It's like hacky. Like when a dog's like sniffing a fire hydrant, you fucking hack. I actually do always think that when I see a dog sniffing a fire hydrant, I go, what a fucking hack this dog is.
Thinking about it recently,
Yeah.
and someone did a bless you to me, and I was just like, fucking idiot. Like, you know, it's the dumbest thing.
Yeah.
And that's why it bugs me, because it's dumb and you have to do it.
Yeah, it's just customary.
Yeah, it's customary, which is why I never say thank you.
I don't hold doors. I don't say thank you. Don't cover my mouth when I fucking cough.